Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and today I'm gonna share my current favorite product. Now there are mostly skincare, few makeup, but there's body care as well that I'm obsessed with and you have to try. So let's begin. Okay, I'm gonna start with the body product, of course, because I'm obsessed with it. I'm like, I can use it every single day, but I should not use it every single day because it's a sugar scrub. It's by Wild Oak. Now recently I have been seeing a lot of videos regarding this body care, body scrub, and I was like, I have to try it, but they have so many variants. I was so confused, so I got the white one, which is pina colada. This is how it looks like from the packaging. It's a big tub, by the way, and it retails for, I think I've paid 5.99. There's always a discount, so ये आपको 5.99 में मिलेगा. And there are so many variants: watermelon, vitamin C, then there's rose, and many more. Like, I think there are 6 to 8 variants out there, but this one particularly, I love it. It smells incredible. I'm definitely going to buy many more, I swear, because this is actually very, very good. And this is how the texture looks like. As you can see, it's super like sugary. It has the sugar particles which are not too harsh for your skin, definitely, because after a while when you massage it, it melts and gives your skin that oil effect, moisturized and oil effect. I was like, first time when I tried, I was like, wow. So मैं ये ना सोचती हूँ कि रोज़ यूज़ करूँ, बट रोज़ शुगर स्क्रब या फिर नॉर्मली स्क्रब यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. बट देन ऑल्सो दिस स्मेल्स इनक्रेडिबल एंड आई वुड हाईली हाईली रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू ट्राई बिकॉज दिस इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव. एंड ये आपको, अगर आप रोज़ नहीं यूज़ करोगे तो ये आराम से 1.5 महीने तो चला ही जाएगा. सो आई वुड हाईली recommend you guys to try this one out. I'm definitely going to buy some other variants for sure. Okay, moving on, you guys have seen me trying out the D'Alba First serum spray. Now I thought I won't like it, but in the first use I quite liked it and मैंने उसको उसके बाद हर ट्यूटोरियल में इसको यूज़ किया है. Whenever I was filming, I was using this and my skin love it. Okay, so it gives you that glow, it melts your makeup. It's actually true, like ये वायरल हुआ है and I get it. It's actually very, very true that it had to go viral because it's amazing. I love it. My skin loves it. My base, my makeup looks flawless. Like even today, I applied this first and then did my makeup. So you can see my skin looks beautiful. I would highly recommend you guys to try this one out. Now next up is a product जो मैंने I think December में लिया था and I've tried this I think thrice, not more than that. But from the very first use, I saw a huge difference on my skin texture. This is the Mix On Bean Essence. And again, it's a viral product. So जब भी मैं इसको यूज़ करती हूँ, my skin feels so soft. कोई भी ड्राई पैचेस नहीं रहता है एंड आई मेक श्योर कि मैं इसको हफ्ते में एक बार यूज़ करूँ. यू कैन यूज़ इट लाइक अ सेरम और you can just apply it and massage it for a few minutes and you will see and you will feel on your hand that the dead skins are coming off. I mean, it's making the dry skin go away and मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से बैठता है. इवन इफ़ यू डोंट वेयर मेकअप यू कैन यूज़ इट क्योंकि ये स्किन को इतना सॉफ्ट एंड क्लीन बना देता है. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट and yeah, definitely do try it out. Okay, I do have more skincare, but let's talk about some makeup. So I tried the Mars Matte Mousse lipsticks recently. I've got 3 shade. ये मुझे PR पे नहीं मिला था तो इसलिए मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 शेड है क्योंकि मैंने खुद खरीदा है. Anyway, the price is quite decent. You get it for ₹299 या फिर Amazon या फिर Nykaa पे, Myntra पे हमेशा सेल रहता है. So you can always get it for ₹250 to ₹260. I've got 3 shades and I would highly recommend you guys these shades because these are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna swatch all the 3 because मैंने बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़ देखने के बाद ही शेड्स को ख़रीदा है. दिस इज़ नंबर 3. इट्स माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट at the moment. I really, really enjoy using this shade. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I only use this shade. The next one is a 04, which is a very beautiful warm brown shade. Like ये वाला shade इतना सुंदर कैसे यार. बट द फॉर्मूला इज़ वेरी वेलवेटी स्मूथ. बहुत जन को लग रहा था कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है. ये ड्राई नहीं है. आई मीन ये है ड्राई. It's not a cream lipstick, it's velvet soft formula, glides on easily. The pigmentation it's quite there. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी एकदम bang on pigment है क्योंकि these are nude shades. But the formula is super soft, but it does go away quickly. So if you want very long staying lipstick, these are not for you. क्योंकि ये velvet mousse formula है. ये वैसे भी बहुत जल्दी से fade away हो जाता है. अगर आप कुछ भी खाओ it goes away. And the last shade I've got is 08. It is called Boss Girl. It's a true red. And again, you may not like the shade, but because you know ये फेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा चटाक एकदम पॉप रेड लगता है. सो यू माइट नॉट लाइक इट, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज मिक्स. जैसे मैंने उसी दिन 03 एंड 08 को मिक्स करके लगाया था, आई थिंक शिवरात्रि के दिन. So I was wearing a white dress, not dress, it was like a suit, got it from scratch, but it looked beautiful. So always you can mix and match your lipsticks, so it's up to you if you want to buy it or not, but I definitely enjoy using these lipsticks. Now moving on, I recently tried the Cups and Lashes liquid blushes. These are the Afterglow blushes. Now I've received 3 shades. I really like the formula, बट मुझे ना ये शेड से कोई भी एक्सपेक्टेशन था ही नहीं, ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज इट लुक्ड वेरी वेरी light. So I was like, I have like no hopes with this shade, but guys, I was wrong. This is called Peaches. Even in my last tutorial I've used this, and it's a gorgeous shade. Here's the shade. As you can see, it looks like आपको दिख ही नहीं रहा होगा, but look at that. It just gives you that flush of color. Without makeup तो ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है मेरे स्किन पे. मुझे एकदम like I had no hopes कि ये अच्छा लगेगा मेरे पे, but it did look very nice. So I really like the shade. You can go for any other shade, but again the formula, it's really nice from coming from an Indian brand. It's definitely similar to She Glam blushes. Also, one more thing, if you're using it for the first time, do not go directly on your powder skin, क्योंकि ये obviously liquid base है तो वो powder को soak up कर लेगा, foundation उठा देगा. So you don't want that. Always take it on your hand, take it on the brush and then blend, or maybe a sponge and then blend. So that's the trick you are going to need. Now moving on, I tried this collagen green tea ceramide bounce cream by Innisfree, and I use it every single day on my morning routine after my serum and before my sunscreen. This moisturizer is really nice. I mean, the texture of this is so soft and it actually makes your skin super bouncy, and I really like the formula. It's lightweight, it's not gel or it's not cream base, it's in between, so it just melts into your skin, and I personally have been loving this. So if you are somebody who really likes green tea or collagen face moisturizers, you can definitely try. Alright, the last one is a mask. Now I got to know about this from one of the creators from Dubai, Nipun. She's a skincare creator, and she recommends really good stuff. So on one of her videos, she talked about this mask by BOJ, Beauty of Joseon, and this is their ground rice and honey glow mask. So I did buy it because obviously I had to give this one a try. And guys, you can see मैंने इसको कितना यूज़ किया है अभी तक. I got it in December. I think I tried in January, started trying in January. And first of all, this smells really good. I mean, I love coconut smells, or in general coconut खाने में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This has a smell of that coconut oil, which I do not mind, but if you do mind, you won't like it. The texture, it has little bit of rice granules, but it's not harsh. It's super soft for your skin. पता नहीं मेरे स्किन में तो बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट लगता है. मुझे लगा था कि it's like a physical scrub, but it's not a scrub, but I really like this mask because it gives my skin that glow, it gives my skin that hydration. I personally love using this. I love the smell, like I can smell it all day long. Anyway, so I love coconut, as you know. So this smells like coconut oil. Okay, so I really like it because of the glow and the hydration this one provides. So you have to try this. All right, those are the products I'm obsessed with. Let me know which product you guys want to try in the comment section below, and do check out my description box for the links, and I will see you guys again on my next video. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends and family. I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.